Hi and welcome back. In this video, I would like to share with you a very simple egg recipe. It's made of boiled eggs. It's called boiled egg burji or boiled egg curry. It's very simple, very easy to make, nutritious, and at the same time, very tasty. This recipe is made using very few ingredients, and if you do not have any of the ingredients that I'm showing handy, you can feel free to skip them and that will be totally fine. So let's take a look at the ingredients that are required for making boiled egg burji. Around 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tomato diced, half an onion diced, 3 green chilies sliced, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. I'll be using 3 eggs and I'm gonna hard boil them. So to hard boil the eggs using Instant Pot, place around 1 cup of water in the inner pot, place your trivet and take your eggs and place on top of them. And we all know for making eggs, it's 5-5-5 rule. So close your Instant Pot, turn on pressure cook and set it to 5 minutes and make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. So what is a 5-5-5 rule? So you'll be pressure cooking for 5 minutes and let the pressure release naturally for 5 minutes and then place it in cold water and leave it for 5 minutes. And then it will be super easy to peel the eggs. So I've let the pressure release naturally for about 5 minutes now. I'm gonna let the rest of the pressure release manually. So once the pin is down, it's safe to open the lid. So open the lid and collect these eggs into an ice bag. So here I have a bowl with water and ice. So I'm just gonna place these eggs in the bowl and leave for 5 minutes. So for the rest of the recipe, you can use the Instant Pot in saute mode and make it. But today I would like to try it on the stovetop. So look how easy it is to peel. Turn on your stove and place a pan. So once the pan is hot, add oil. So once the oil is hot, add green chilies. I like the recipe to be spicy, so I'm adding both green chilies and red chili powder. But if you don't want spicy, you can skip either of them. Add onions. So at this point, add salt just to fasten this process and add turmeric powder. Once you notice the onions translucent, add tomatoes. And now add red chili powder. And then add coriander powder. And finally, we are gonna add the boiled eggs. You need to add good chunks of egg. So you can even squeeze them with your hand, but because I'm on camera, I'm using a knife. And now add the eggs and toss it gently. And that's it. Add some cilantro on top of this and this is ready to be served. I'm turning off the stove. I'm gonna heat a couple of tortillas. This curry goes really well with chapatis and rice or even pav.